Oh! Hunter on 240, I think.
Yeah, I see it.
Crossbow?
Yep.
Killed one.
Trying to look
Other
for
one
the
also dead.
Nice. So, do you want a crossbow?
No thanks.
Oh, players!
Where?
Players! Lock
Where?
bay. Around Lock bay.
Oh, that's
In the
closer.
compound. Yeah, in the compound here.
It's only one. Dead. Finish it first.
Yeah, they're fighting inside.
I killed one.
Good. I'm pushing with shoddy. Oh, no. Oh my god. Prestige 34.
What's his name?
Meathead.
What's his name?
Meathead.
Meathead?
Yep.
Killed him. I can see the aftermath. Headshot, aftermath headshot.
They've concertina that side.
I hit one right with the dynamite. Aftermath is dead. I'm gonna loot him. This side is clear.
Yeah, that fucker tried to hit me. This Dixie gun.
Where is he?
Outside here. I think he's just the one, but I think I got him.
No, you didn't.
I definitely hit him. Got a hit marker.
He's right next to me here. Oh, one is dead.
God fucking damn it. Someone shot me from behind.
Yeah, I killed both.
Yep. Waiting on
Oh,
really? No! Oh!
See what they're doing.
You think they extracted?
No, they're just waiting for us at the extraction. They know you have a shotgun, so...
Oh! I got shot from the back.
It's from the south.
Yep, I got shot from the back. It hurt really bad.
That's a vet order, yeah. One dead.
Nice. I have to pop my fatality, man. I have to.
He's sitting just on the other side of this wall. Clip. Hit. He has a fatally.
I can't do anything.
Hit again.
Yeah, there's still one is down, one is up.
He's outside.
Yep, both are outside.
Need your help. They're right here.
Fuck. Yep, I see them. Oh, he tickled me. Oh, he got me with a fucking headshot. Always.
There you go.
Yep.
Yeah, now he's dead. Yeah, I see him.
Yeah, he's to the right now. Hit him once. Come on. There we go. Sorry, man. Good, good shots, though. Good shots.
GG.
Maybe he has some more uppercut ammo for me.
Oh. Oh. I know, guys, I can't aim. Ow. Oh shit, there's someone here.
Okay, on what side?
Wait. Do you have a medkit? Can you heal me up?
Yeah, okay.
Oh wait, there's one here. Never mind. There's a guy on the west. There you go.
Is that just the meathead you're fighting?
Yeah. It needed only 2 more shots.
Alright, be careful up there, matey.
Hit! Winfield? One dead. There's still another guy
Where's the
though.
other one?
There you go.
Yeah, I hit him. He's behind the...
Yeah,
this thing.
reloading.
I'm throwing a dynamite.
Head dead.
Ha! The other one's there too. Oh shit, I'm down. He is a bit more to the right at the boss lane.
Shit, I think he saw me.
Yeah, he's pushing.
How's that not a hit? I need to go back.
Great hit.
Oh ho ho! No, in front of us. One is on the roof of the White House. Hit.
Fuck.
I hit the guy on top.
One down.
One down.
One kill.
I killed him.
Nice.
Other one was on the roof of the White House. I hit him, but he didn't die. Fucking
On the-
idiots. Survivor's lamer in the eyes, man. You suck.
Left side of the White House. He's down on the bottom. He's gonna reload. What? He's like fucking hell. Shotgun. They killed him. I
No.
think. Yeah. I believe in you, man. Come on.
Fuck.
Nice. Nice one.
GG man, good fight. Very good fight. Spectre? Yeah, you got him?
No. I must reload.
Hit.
Fucking hell, I'm fucking shit with this gun.
Killed one again. The guy that got revived, I killed him. There's special ammo in here.
There's one behind me. Come on. Spectre.
Yeah, he stopped running. I killed the guy here again.
Yeah, nice. Watch out. I hear him outside.
Hit.
Fuck. Watch out, he's right side.
Got him. One
There's
more.
One left. One left. He was outside the fence. I must heal.
Oh, he's on the 60. Outside the fence.
Yeah.
I'm finding a lantern to burn his body. Uppercuts.
Okay.
Burning his partner. Oh!
What?
2 shots?
Fuck.
Take distance. Just take distance.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, hunters on the southwest. 2 guys.
Nice, let's fucking wreck him.
One dead. I almost died too.
Oh,
Sparks.
same. I didn't even see him. Still don't, by the way. But
He's gonna try picking him up.
where is he?
Oh, I think he picked him up.
No, not yet.
I got a hive chasing me down. Oh, and then I hit zombie. Where did I kill his buddy?
The fuck just happened? That was fucking bad.
What weapons does he have?
Uppercut and then sparks. That was really, really fucking bad. I don't. Yeah, never mind. Don't get out at a fucking crossbow, didn't hit. Nice. What the fuck?
What? Fucking hell. Shit in me.
Oh god. Shh. They're pushing.
Yeah.
Nate.
Ooh. Oh my god. He really
Killed one.
got me. He got me bleeding.
I killed one.
Where's the other one? You see him?
Find a lantern.
I have one. Coming.
Kill him again.
Okay.
He's straight in front of you.
What? He's burning something, I think. Or just my imaginary. Where's this guy? One hit. Fucking hell. This motherfucker. Nice.
One on the roof. They're split up. Let's try to kill one.
That's the...
That's
What was this?
God, God.
Oh,
Damn.
get shit on, you fucking piece of trash!
The two are dead.
Bye! I don't know where he went. Holy shit, there. Now I know. Lost him again. There you are.
It's coming.
Yeah, I killed his buddy. He's west 270. He's in the bush. Headshot that.
Nothing.
One dead. Upstairs.
Just above me.
Hi, man. Hi. Hi.
What the fuck the hell are we
Wait,
doing?
let me kill him. Let me kill him. Oh, shit.
Left side.
Watch out, man. One is still outside the house.
I got the shit. Left. How was that? that are still by the fence.
I'm dead.
Hit. He's inside now. Near the chicken coop.
Got him.
It's
Where is he?
He was in the bushes behind the fence. Oh, this guy again. God damn it.
I'm dead.
Good. Got other problems here.
Other one too.
Good.
Got one.
Got another one. There's another one here. Dynamite. Got him.
Nice.
There's 3 teams, I think.
Lol.
Did you kill zombie?
Yeah. Oh,
Did we burn everyone?
no, but one team is dead,
3 people
and we
are
only
dead.
need to burn this one.
Got him.
Nice.
Bush. I saw him. Tier 1. Gray shirt. He was aiming with a pistol. One dead.
Now where was he?
Straight in front of me. Oh, he threw a dynamite. He's sitting near his buddy.
I see him.
Yeah, that's a shotgun, buddy. That's not a rifle. Watch out, he's near you. On your left.
That's a Romero, that's a Romero.
That's a shotgun, right?
Yeah, that's a shotgun. That's mean. That's not nice of you, buddy. Follow me on Twitch. Yeah, nice decoy, buddy. I don't fall for that. You know, I'm kind of uncomfortable, man.
Look, I think that's my nitro. He probably has.
No, he didn't. I'm not falling for your decoys. Shh. I think you're in the forest, man. Bye.
Nice one. He was there.
Yeah, I think he dropped down though.
Not burning.
Is he really trying to fight this? That's one. Yeah, next time don't burn my buddy, you bitch! Nah, that's not gonna... Hey! Better luck next time.
Oh wow, you're fucking toxic.
They tried to